Zoe. Welcome to Zoe. Hi, my name is Zoe. Welcome back to Living with Zoe. Today we are making guacamole, so let's get started. This is a really simple recipe. First, cut the avocado in half. I used about 8 avocados in this recipe. Then remove the seed. Cut your avocado like this so you have big pieces. Don't worry, when you mix it, the pieces will get smaller. Use the spoon to scoop the pieces into the bowl. Do the same thing to the other half of the avocado. Cut a lime in half and squeeze it into the bowl. Add some red onions and minced garlic, diced tomatoes, cilantro, and jalapenos. The jalapenos are spicy, so add as tiny or much as you want. Lastly, add salt and pepper. Then mix it all up. This is my simple but tasty guacamole recipe. It's a great dish to eat with chips and salsa. It's so delicious. I hope you try it and like it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you hit that bell.